put on this. Yes, get it. It's being recorded. Got it. I think it's recording right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, there we go. So I think today is December 21st, right? So we're going to keep working on Chris mobile app development. Okay. So right now we're going to add what? We're going to add stock market functionality, right? Okay. So basically, and Chris, maybe show me how would you want user to use this app to proceed the stock market stuff.
Just like how I just select the function of the stock market.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I guess the user like for I guess for like display there'll be maybe the top, let's say like 25 stocks, and then there's also like a search bar to find like other stocks, and then from there when you look it up you can click on it and see like kind of the past its past history with the stock market, like whether it's going up or down, like on
You can also log into the Google Docs
oh
on the computer. Yes. So I guess you were in, right? So let's see. Share the document. Oh, okay. What is your email address again?
QCHIO
HIO.
Yeah, that one.
Bottom one. Okay, there we go. So then you can, well, type your ideas. Okay. That's good. All right. So start now. And you can also later on use the whiteboard to demonstrate that stuff. So just yeah. Okay. Let's see, the top 25.
Oh, 50.
Top 50? Okay, top 50 is good. Top 50 stock is a good idea. Next to the chart of the stock.
Like it'd be I guess putting up there
Mhm.
So that'd be like kind of one, I don't know, but,
Yeah, well, yes.
so like, I guess. Yeah, and then they can, the search bar will stay here, and then they can just keep scrolling and do like different stocks.
Mhm.
And then once they click on like a specific one, it'd go into like, it, it'd go into like detail about like that specific stock. And then I guess. Like here-ish would be like the data on that stock or something. And there'd be like a timeline of like, let's say past 1 month. So, and then I guess there can be like a different time option to see like whether they want to see the past month or the past like, I guess, few months or a year.
Mhm.
And then around here, like next to the left of the chart, there'll be like the description of the stock, let's just say Apple. And then there'd be, let me get an image.
Okay. So that's good. So, this part is going to be the details of the
Yeah,
app, of the stock, right?
yeah,
So this is the chart, like going up, going down, something. And this is the timeline. And this is a description of the stock, right?
I guess like,
Yes, go ahead.
yeah, I guess it's like the description,
Mhm.
so.
Like a history of the,
Yeah, and I think, but I think putting the like news of that specific art stock is too much, maybe, because it's hard, or because if you put in like related information into a specific stock, I feel like that would take a lot of time, but I continuously update,
Mhm.
unless, I don't know.
So we can use online API to keep refreshing it, so.
But is that like too difficult, or?
That's no problem, so we
So I
can
guess, yeah.
implement daily news, or depends on how do you want to display the information. Do you want this one to display the,
What's on?
what's that?
Oh, what is it? Sorry.
So for instance, that part, okay, so that part, okay, can be like a daily news, right?
Yeah.
Or it can be monthly news, or it can be weekly news,
Mhm.
or it can be like overall, like overview of this company.
Yeah, I think overview.
Overview is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we can, this is OV, all right, overview of that. Okay. And do you think it is necessary to have some like daily highlights?
Yeah, like, yeah, daily.
DHL, okay, DHL daily
And
highlights.
then, I guess the like best button would be the top of,
Invest
yeah, to buy the stock.
to buy, right? Okay, so for instance,
Yeah.
maybe this is a buy.
Yeah.
Buy button, okay, good. When buy button executed, so
Or if you like maybe just buy and sell,
buy where?
like those would be a buy button and sell button.
Start button,
Sell.
sell, okay. Where do you want to put, maybe right here, sell button, right? Probably.
I put it like, yeah.
Yeah, flip it, yeah, so then you can do a little modifications here. So buy, you can use the eraser to do the modification. Good. Okay, looks good. So this is search bar, right? Okay, and this is the details.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And then, I guess we want to make a main page, so like the overall details of users' performance, right?
Yeah.
So this is the part of it, right? So I guess, what we want to do is probably we're going to have a main page.
Mhm.
So this is the main, the main, the main page here. So I guess we'd love to make a button to pass the data here.
Yeah,
So therefore we can do the search and stuff, right? And then this one will pass the data here.
Mhm.
Whoever buy and sell, so I guess, do you want it to pass the data directly back to the main page or back to the search page?
um. Maybe the main page.
Yeah, I guess it make more sense, right? It makes more sense because. This is like a middleman, right?
Yeah.
Checking something. Then we buy something, we execute everything, boom, to the main page.
Mhm.
So then you can have your container. So all of these are maybe
Like-
stock
Like portfolio.
portfolio, right? This is a portfolio. Okay. Portfolio, there we go, good. But we want to maybe design this portfolio page a bit, right? So for instance, and now we understand the logic, right? So now we are going to work on the details here. So now we have the main page here. And
Is this the main page of the stock market or just like the overall?
just the finance, the stock market part. So the overall, the app, so we have, um. First, the session is going to be the quiz, right? So this how does user earn points, right? And then we have a vendor machine, so this is user account. Now we can add finance a stock in between, so this is user account. So this is basically this. thing,
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, and how would you want the main page to be like?
Okay, so maybe. It's.
Yeah, you can do a little research now, so searching some good ideas online.
Oh, could I leave the call so I don't drain my battery?
Yeah, sure. You have your charger, right?
Uh, I think so.
Okay. All right, and everything good?
Yeah, I'm just looking.
That's account value, okay, daily change and plus minus, that's a percentage, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And what else?
uh,
Such as, okay, suppose you are the user and you really want to, I'm not going to say make money from it, right? So you really want to get some value from this, right? Well, you can use maybe the blue marker, black is not working. So what would you want to get from this app? Like what information you really want to know, right?
hmm,
Okay, so let's say today Apple's stock price is 190, all right? And you bought maybe,
so I can buy maybe the current price, but the price that you bought at.
I guess so. You want to maybe to compare, I guess most of us wants to know whether our strategy is good or bad, right?
So like the margin, I guess.
The margin, yes, something like a margin. Or maybe right now I have a method which is a BI. So B means buy, right? Okay. I have another method is a BCI, which is SI, sell at a certain time, right? So then you can make this function a bit complex, I and a T. So this is S, I, and a T. So I is a volume, right? Which means how many stock. T is when you buy it or
Yeah.
when you sell it, right? Okay. So now T can be like interval rates, like the total interval, or you can make another parameter such as buy time and the sell time, right? Okay. So we want to for instance, so suppose on December 21st, okay, I buy 10 stock and then it cost me 190 per share, right? Okay, so total is going to be 1900, right? So maybe in the future, I don't know, right? Maybe in the future, so for instance, maybe December 29th, right? So I sell 10 stocks, right? And then by the time it's a 210, I don't know, and hopefully it's 210, right? So that means I earn money, right? So then I'm going to check what is my winning rate, right? So
Yeah.
that is going to be 210 minus that over, I mean, my initial price, right? So then I get, you can maybe make a function like that, so then I can figure this out is basically 20 over 190, right? 190, right? So that is going to be this number. So roughly speaking, it's a 2 over 20 is basically this. Roughly speaking, it is 10%. I earn 10% on that, right? I guess maybe we want to implement that. So like when you buy, when you sell, we want to know what is going to be my overall return rate. So the return rate apparently is 10%, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, go ahead. Not bad. Okay. And okay, come over here. Come over here. From this angle, do you think it is cool? I mean, this math stuff formula here and all of with those stuff. So basically, this is how do we create a financial mobile app. So first of all, we design the user interface, and then we implement some mathematical formula into the app. So therefore, the app can be functional, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So apparently, so these wouldn't make too much sense if you don't use it, right? So, and then now I guess, so for instance, when people buy this, you also want to grab the current date, right? So which means the buy function has a date, right? The current date.
Yeah.
And then amount, right? Amount of stock and then current price CP, right?
So that's like another page where you click the buy and sell button, I think.
Yes, so I guess right here, you also want to allow user to select how many,
Yeah.
yes, like a volume, right? Okay, so. I guess, so we can use the same page to handle everything, I guess,
Okay.
probably, so maybe a little drop down, button, like the value stuff.
Yeah.
So maybe, maybe we can maybe move everything a little bit lower. So just redesign this, which we're trying to make everything in one single page.
Okay.
So do you want to click one button to show another page and and then clap and then back?
Maybe just like, I like the drop
Yeah,
down one.
drop down, right?
I guess this
Much
would be covered
better.
and then just.
Yes, exactly, right. So we can just maybe, yeah, drop down and then execute all of these. And then pass down the data to here,
Yeah.
so, and then boom,
Yeah.
to the main page, right?
Yeah.
Good, so, give me something more, so. This is one, I guess, we must implement.
Um,
That's good, stock name, price spot, current price,
like the return rate, like the daily one, I guess.
yeah, daily return rate, that's good. So how do you calculate the daily return rate?
Um. I think the change of. When I started and then when the day ends.
Yes, exactly, good. Okay, not bad, so it's looking pretty good. So amount of value, all right,
I guess like quantity can also be another one, but I can't fit it in.
the quantity, yes, I guess it's no problem, good. Okay, that's good. So this will, I guess this is going to be the sub main page, right?
Yeah.
So I guess the real main page is going to be, that, right?
Yeah.
So these will basically show the stock in the system, right? Right? Because I guess, are we going to have more than one stock? More than one stock, multiple, right?
Yeah,
So, wait a second, so this will only show one stock, right?
no,
So,
this is everything.
everything, oh,
Yeah.
that, right, oh, like, so this will, is a S1, S2.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense, so then, yes, we can use this chart, right? Good, okay. Stock name, right, and then we can
Yeah.
make this chart, okay, not bad, okay. Amount of value, so there's the total amount of value, right, everything.
Yeah, everything.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, not bad, okay, I do like this design, so, let's see that. So this is pretty good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That is good. So account value, total change, and the overall annual return rate. Good. Okay. And anything else you want to add? Pretty much it.
It looks like a good start.
It's a good start, right? Okay. No problem. That's good. I'm going to take a photo of that. Good work. Right. So now Chris, I want you, yeah, take a photo. Yeah. Okay. Self-motivated. I like it. All right. So now, okay, I want you to maybe introduce this from the beginning. All right. So like, how do you generate this, that, and then that into this? So I'm going to record this a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So do you need maybe 2 minutes preparation?
Like start from the main page.
Yeah, starting from the main page.
Oh,
Are you ready?
what is this for?
Just for document. All right. So because I guess in the future, so when you are applying UPenn, I guess you will be processing an interview. So by the
Right.
time
I can show them or?
you can either use this video, or I mean, if they want the interview to be live, I mean, then you prepared already, right? Good.
Wait, with this will go to here.
Yes. So
Then I don't know how this goes to here.
I guess first of all, yes. So now we need to figure out how to go from here, right?
Yeah.
So this will trigger that,
Yeah.
right? So or basically this is this, right? So I guess you want to make a button like a search, right?
Yeah.
So I guess probably where do you want to implement a search button? Okay,
Let's do that.
probably right here.
Yeah, there's not space.
Okay, so this is search, right? Search, or maybe I guess
Like, oh, yeah.
on the top, right?
Yeah,
We
so-
would also have the navigation bar, right? This is the main page.
Yeah.
Main page. We can have maybe usually search is here, right? Search, yes.
Sorry, maybe like. Not gonna just use this like account name,
This is the county.
like the name, the username.
Oh, yeah, the username, yeah, username, that's good, okay. And the search will show this, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And that, and then back to the main. Okay, I guess it makes sense. Yes. So, all right, let me know when you are ready.
I think I do it.
Okay, there we go. So in 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Okay, so this is the main page, and there'll be different like functions, so this will be the quiz. Where they are where like the users tested their financial literacy. And this is the vending like machine, I guess, where the users can use the money they earn from the quiz to like buy different prizes and products. And then here is the stock market. And when the user clicks on this, they will be redirected to the submain page where the the username is here, and all of the accounts, account value, and the accounts change rate data for the day, and then this is the annual return rate. And when they click the search bar, they'll be redirected into this page, and there'll be a list of the top 50 stocks. And like, so when they scroll down, it'll be the top 50 stocks, and then if they can't find the stock that they're looking for, they can just click the search bar and type in the stock name. And once they clicked on a specific stock that they want to research about or invest in, they'll be redirected to this final subpage where they'll have the stock's name and like the symbol, and then also there will be like the graph, so the user can pick different times. So for example, it could be maybe the past month, and then it'll expand the month, or past 3 months or year. And then we'll also have like the daily news here, so they'll be always constantly updated. And then here it will just be like the overall general information about the stock. And then once the user decides to buy or sell the stock, there'll be a drop down page where it'll be allow the user to buy or sell the stock and the quantity. And then if they want to, the user wants to like look at the overall portfolio, they'll go here where they have the stock's name and there'll just be a column, the list of names. And then they'll have the quantity and the price that they bought it at, and then the current price, so whether it's up or down, and this will show them whether they're positive or negative in their investment. And it'll be like different colors, like green will be positive, red will be negative. And then, yeah, that's about it.
There we go. Good job, man. Okay. Good. Okay, that's a nice presentation, 3 minutes. That's good. Okay, good job. All right, impressive. Okay, so hold down for a second. So let's see. I'll be showing you one of my students' work, and then
users to choose and
all right.
see how clothing fit and appear on them before they make a purchase.
Hi, my name is Jerry, and I'm currently a senior at LaSalle College Preparatory School. My role in this team is the data collector. What I do is that I go to different places such as the South Coast Plaza, the Arcadia Mall, and many stores near my area, and find out whether or not if their products are eco-friendly. In our modern society, natural resources are running out. What our team is trying to do is to create an app that will be able to create clothes that are both eco-friendly and easily accessed by our community.
Hi, my name is Joyce Chan. I'm a ninth grader currently attending Arcadia High School. My role for this app development was to design it. I created many artworks for this app, including the ones shown here. I used the website Canva to make most of the designs. I tried to make the designs eco-friendly by using a bunch of different environmental symbols or other symbols relating to nature. I had a lot of fun doing this project.
Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm a 10th grader at Sage Hill School, and my role in this project is a marketing director.
Hello, my name is Mark Jung. I'm a junior at Temple City High School, and I'm the main software engineer for this app.
What this app does is using your body links, it tells you what clothes you should wear and it helps you fit the clothes. So first you press play and then you'll see this. And once you press pause, you're able to get clothes that are about the same size as your body. So using this, you can try out different clothes and see which clothes you want to fit. You can have a size 2, or you can have different pants, and you can have different shoes.
Here's some of the code that we use for the app. We use dictionaries and multidimensional arrays to store the qualities of each individual item. We also use dictionaries to save and display outfits that the user creates. These outfits that the user creates and are stored in dictionaries can be reaccessed to the My Collections tab. One of our biggest inspirations for our AR camera is through this LeetCode assignment that checks for palindromes. We utilize this concept of symmetry found in palindromes through our app's body mapping and measuring feature due to the human body's symmetrical outer appearance. By measuring the length of a person's arm, the app is able to determine the rest of the person's body lengths through algorithms due to the human body's proportional sizes. These body lengths can be saved to the user's account and are used to help fit the clothing of the user's choice, both physically and virtually. With our app, we hope to revolutionize online shopping and inspire the new generation to pursue their fashion goals beyond ordinary limits and with confidence. Thanks for watching.
All right, there we go. So this is their products video. How do you like it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's good, right? So the two challenges. So one is Ignite CS. So Ignite CS is basically a Google entrepreneurship computation. So another one is a congressional app challenge. All right.
Mhm.
So basically, it's a building app and then compete the different STEM computation. I guess it's pretty worthy. So I guess this one is also good, right? So you can also use this to compete different challenges, right?
Do the students have to present during the competition or do they just like?
Just the video, yeah, just the video. So that's why I introduced video filming stuff, right? So you can simply use this later on to submit your work, right? Okay. But the Ignite CS requires a live interview, so you have to be in person through Zoom, but it's not that in person, it's through Zoom. So, but the congressional app challenge, so it's basically sending out a video clip like that, 3 minutes, and then that's all good. And all you need to do is just wait until judges finish their judgment, and then you will be invited to school, yes, school district. So your school district, I guess, is Arcadia, right? San Marino?
Or is that like just where I go to school, right?
Yes.
Not Kingdom.
Oh, okay, that's good. So you know what? So I went to La Cañada so two days ago to attend my students' congressional challenge ceremony. So Judy Chu, you know Judy Chu, right? Congresswoman.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so she issued all the awards to students.
Mhm.
So you know do you know NASA? You know NASA, right?
Yeah.
So I guess maybe your school next to NASA, right? I guess
Oh,
so.
the JPL,
Yeah, the GPL, yes.
yeah, close.
Yes, so I was in GPL 2 days ago,
Mm.
so it's a very valuable achievement. Okay, so yes. Oh, yes, so I highly recommend you to give it a go. Good. Okay, so let's see what else for today. I guess this is pretty much for today, right? Okay, good. So I'm going to stop recording it, I guess. And